Hello there everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Epic Games online services. This will be a quick and easy tutorial, so follow me step by step. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. So the first thing that you need to do is go to any browser, Google Chrome, any browser that you use, and usually just go ahead and type in Epic Games right here. And on here, just go ahead and click on the first official Epic Games Store link. Click on it. And on the upper right corner you should see download right over here. Let's go ahead and click on download. Once downloaded, go ahead and proceed with the installation process. That's basically how you do it. That's easy as it can. Anyways guys, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, and enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out.